Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a data frame using specific columns from a CSV file. So I have here a CSV file in this website. Let's run it. It's a list of names in the United States based on how many times it has been used, the ranks on this year. So it has about 6 columns. Okay, so year of birth, gender, ethnicity, child's first name, count, and rank. And let's say you're interested in creating a data frame based on 3 of these columns: year of birth, the name, and count. All you have to do is just pass a list to usecols parameter, and you'll get a data frame based on that, on those columns. So this is our column now. This is a data frame based on these 3 columns. Again, this we use index of the column. So this is index 0, index 1, index 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we pass 0, 3, 4, and we get this column. And if your data is larger and has lots of columns, and your list that you want to create a data frame based on is also longer, you can just create a variable, a list variable, and then pass that along. So let's run it and you'll get the same thing. I found this a little bit cleaner than this version because this list might be bigger, and it just makes it a little longer. So that's all. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.